Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 15 days of December. And as you know, they're all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for Scorpios. We have the Eight of Swords, the Magician, and the High Priestess. Okay, let's see what's there on their side. The Queen of Cups, Four of Cups, and the Three of Pentacles. Okay, see what's okay. We have the Six of Cups. Wow, beautiful. Two of Cups, the Queen of Swords. Okay, and the Ace of Pentacles. So let's see what's the message from this deck for Scorpios. Seven of Hearts. Okay, guidance from the angels for Scorpios. Four of Thought. So Scorpios, with the Eight of Swords, something is definitely holding you back. There is a situation which really makes it tough for you to make a move or take some sort of risk or move ahead or step out. That is a basic situation, or your subconscious mind is like that for some reason. Okay, it's okay. So basically the thing is, you feel it's risky to make a move. It's risky for you to come out of whatever the situation is. You feel the risk and you are scared sort of to step out of this zone actually. Okay, but here we have the Magician and the High Priestess. So what I feel is, though you are not making a move, you are being very very intuitive also. You are, but the thing is, something between within you with the Magician really wants to make a move. Okay, and what I feel is, Magician being here as a major arcana, I think with we'll see with the more cards what happens. But what I feel is, you will definitely make a move, because at one point in time, you know that you have the resources, you know you have the power to make a move, and you know that you can do things. You are powerful, you are talented, you know you can do it, you know your capabilities. Okay, so what I feel is, it won't be long that you will be able to step forward and you will be able to move ahead in life. Whatever the situation is holding you back. Okay, so what I am feeling here is that maybe you want a new beginning, but you are not able to make a move. That is what it is. Okay, so I really don't see, as for now, you are making any move, but the thing is, you want to. It's something like that, and or at least you are capable of doing it. You know that you are capable of doing it. You know you can do it, but something is really making you cautious to some extent, that you're not making a move because you feel it's risky, or you don't want to hurt yourself, whatever the reason is. And on this side, we have the Queen of Cups, the Four of Cups, and the Three of Pentacles. So definitely somebody here is very very upset. This person is also not interested and in anything. This person is, it's like, my mood is off, I really don't know, I don't want to take anything, I don't want to talk to anyone, because this person with the Queen of Cups has a lot of emotions. But the thing is, the emotions are not being rewarded, this because you are not responding to those emotions. That is what it is. And with the Three of Pentacles, this person is taking opinions of others, talking to their friends, sharing with them as to what's happening, what should I do, sort of a thing, because you are not making a move. This person has a lot of love for you, but the thing is, since you are not accepting their offer, or you're not opening up, maybe you are occupied somewhere else. Can be that, it can be a love triangle also, or maybe this person is discussing things with the others. It can be that also, as to what should I do. But the thing is, things are not happening because you are not responding to the emotions of the other person. Okay, and here we have the Six of Cups, the Two of Cups, the Queen of Swords, and the Ace of Swords. So what I feel here is that the vibe which I am getting here is with the Three of Pentacles, this person is discussing things with the other person, or their friends, their families, whosoever they are. But we have the reconciliation over here with the Six of Cups and the Two of Cups. I see you both getting back together. Okay, so since love is there are a lot of emotions. So what I feel is reconciliation will happen, because this person is just upset because you are not responding. Okay, you are not able to step out of this negativity of the Eight of Swords. But since you know that you can, as I said with the Magician, you have the power, and one point in time you will definitely make a move, because you know you want this, and you know that you are capable of doing it. So, and you will do it, and that is what is happening over here with the Six of Cups and the Two of Cups. The reunion is happening, you are coming together with the Queen of Swords over here and the Ace of Swords. What I feel is, though maybe this is the transient phase, because both of you are guarded, maybe because here also this person was upset, and obviously, and you are also coming out of something which was holding you back. So obviously there is a little bit of that feeling that both of you are little guarded when you're talking to each other, when you're meeting with each other, whatever it is. This is a little guarded type of energy. That's all. I don't see anything negative in it. It's like when you start meeting the other person, when you are new, talking to them, coming out of these zones, especially it is, I think, very normal to be like that over here. And here we have the Ace of Pentacles. So definitely going in for a new beginning. Definitely going in for a new beginning, Scorpios. With the Seven of Hearts, somebody is making a choice. Somebody is making a choice because somebody was confused. Now they are able to make a decision over here. And that is you. It can be them, but it's you on this side. Let's see what is the guidance from the universe. Four of Thought. Spend time in nature listening for guidance from your angels and your own inner voice, because over analyzing the situation won't provide the answers you are seeking. That is what you are doing here with the Eight of Swords, over analyzing the situation. You need to be in touch with your intuition here with the High Priestess. Consider taking a vacation or a small break to help you rejuvenate and become clear on what your next step should be. Meditation can be very helpful. Okay, so because here with the Magician, you know that you can make a move, you know you have the capacity, you have the talent, and you know that you deserve it, sort of a thing. So if you need, you should meditate. High Priestess is also the same thing, a very spiritual type of a card, being in touch with your intuition, and that is only comes with meditation and being spiritual. Let's see what's anything else for Scorpios. Two of Swords. Definitely somebody is making a decision over here. With the Devil, all this is something negative which was holding you back, which was holding the other person back. Definitely that needs to be corrected. Maybe that is the decision which needs to be made to correct this negativity, whatever is happening. And here with the same thing, with the Queen of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles, the Ace of Wands. So basically what I feel is somebody here is waiting as to what to do, and this decision needs to be made which is being held back. And this is the negative situation, what is holding them back. Somebody is feeling very upset. This needs to be corrected to move into this new beginning. Okay, so Scorpios, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.